Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Mythologia Fennica Tarot, Embrace Ancient Finnish Wisdom by Susanna Salo. This is published by Rockpool. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this our way, and it retails for $29.95 in the US and $23.99 in the UK, and of course everywhere you can purchase it legitimately will be linked in the description box below. All right, let's get into it. Interpret your life afresh with ancient Finnish wisdom. Finnish mythology, the basis for this tarot, is rooted in nature. Mythologia Fennica Tarot includes the traditional 78 cards, but is divided into the 4 classical elements of nature: fire, water, air, and earth, instead of suits. Featuring a range of beings, deities, nature spirits, and more, it draws strongly on the traditional wisdom of Finnish folklore. So each card tells a new story, yet remains true to the classic Rider-Waite-Smith tarot. And just as with classic tarot, this deck is about self-knowledge and spiritual growth. All right, I am excited. I love the look of this packaging. I love what this is about, so I'm quite intrigued. Ooh, we have a ribbon, nice thick book. Ooh, look at the hollow. Oh no, there's silver. It just looked hollow in the film. Silver edging there. Okay, and the bottom of the box. Nice. All right, so before we get into the card flip through, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook to see what we got in store here, if there's anything else that we need to know before utilizing. So we get background information about the Finnish folklore here, the national epic Kalevala. So awesome. And then we have how to read the card and some spreads here. So we have card of the day, review with 3 cards, and sound advice with 5. And then it goes into, oh, and it's color printed too, into the card meanings. Nice. Okay, so we'll take a deeper look on that guidebook after the flip through here. Look at the detailing on the little wrap. That's a nice touch. The back of the cards. Very pretty. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer. Love the borders. Let's talk cardstock. It is on the thinner side. Yeah, flexible. Doesn't snap back as fast. It is on the thinner side. It's not my preference, this kind of thinness. However, I think it will shuffle great. So we'll keep that in mind. I do like that foiling. Ooh, that pop of color. Oh, nice. So the majors have their own darker blue, and then the minors have their light blue. That's a nice added touch too. Number up top, the beginning, and then the regular title, the traditional title below. Got an egg shape there. That's really pretty. The Magician, Ilmarinen. High Priestess. I am so excited to learn more about this in the guidebook. It's an interesting art style too. It's like combining charcoal with pastels. I really dig the more like handmade feel of it, if that makes sense. Ooh, that's pretty. Interesting. That strength has a horse. Hermit. Ooh. I think this would be a fantastic deck if you are wanting to learn more about Finnish mythology or incorporate that into your practice. Gorgeous. If you're familiar with the mythology, this would be a very intuitive based deck for you, right? For me, I know the traditional meanings of what the cards mean, but the myths behind the images, I don't know anything about really. So I would need to utilize the guidebook for a while to get the deeper meaning behind the images, but that's okay too. So here we have wands, but this is the suit of fire. The birth of fire, that's really cool. And I like that the bottoms of the cards have the little suit element. Birth of iron. Blind man's guide. Oop. Oh, the bat. Sauna. That's cool. Ooh. What a cool take. All right. Suit of cups or water. Toast of Uko. Ooh. Oh, it's a jawbone. And little abalone shells. Pearls. Cute. I love the theming around the suits. Will of the Wisp. Bog Spirit. That's really cool. And look at the footprints. Nixie. Ooh, that's scary. Vortex. Ooh. Well, I think it's safe to say that so far the Suit of Cups is my favorite. I love the renditions. That's really cool. Gorgeous. am really loving just the aesthetic of how they do the court cards. That's so cool. Oh, sweet. Okay, so we're in the suit of air or swords now. Sweet little honeybee. Freezing wind. Ooh. Interesting. Witch's Circle. I love the little mushies. That's so fun. Northern Lights. It's a beautiful deck. It might not be everybody's cup of tea or something that they feel drawn to because of the mythological part of it, but that's fine. I really am excited to learn more. I love decks like this too that take a concept that I wouldn't necessarily seek out, but I end up loving it. That's really cool. Oh. And suit of Earth or Pentacles here. Oh. Domestic snakes. They drinking milk? That's so cute. We love a good mountain troll. Oh, nice. Labyrinth. Ooh, that's really cool. Bear. Oh, look at this little baby. Gorgeous. Ooh, I like that too. Love the theming of each of the suits. I think that was fantastic. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Okay, not bad. Yeah, it still shuffles really nicely this way. And overhand is fine too. Okay. Whoop. Let's get a card to read, please. Okay, we've got the Chariot and the Witch's Circle. I kind of want to see a little bit of how the major is in the guidebook and the minor. Okay, the Chariot. Keywords: journey of life, preparation, finding and following your own path. Ever since Ilmarinen had made the Sampo for Loi, life had begun to turn sourer in Kalevala. He and Vienmoinen planned a voyage to Pohjola to retrieve the Sampo, which produced fortune and riches. Vienmoinen heard lamentation coming from behind a patch of tall grass on the shore. He came upon a crying boat, mourning the fact it wasn't seaworthy. Venmonen, I'm so sorry for the pronunciations, took pity on the boat and repaired it. He launched it into the waves. Then, as they set sail, Lemminkainen called out to them from a headland, and they took him aboard also. The heroes faced many dangers on the way. The boat ran aground on the back of a giant pike that Venmonen then killed, and from whose jaw he made the first kantele, while Lemminkainen succeeded in a difficult rafting, although he couldn't wrest the Sampo free from the stone hill of Pohjola or catch the giant pike. It was only when Venmoinen put the folk of Pohjola into a slumber that they woke to see the Sampo gone. Whew, that was a mouthful for me. I apologize. I love so far that there's a backstory to the myth of what's going on in the card. And I feel like if we started from the full onward, we'd get a lot of information as well. Like if we read it as a story. The message here: the boat represents the body, the vehicle the soul uses to travel through life. The rotting boat laments its fate until Venmonen, Ilmarinen, and Lemminkainen, representing the different sides of consciousness, hop aboard and head for adventure. This card symbolizes the passing of time, but the boat is nevertheless meant to sail the waters of life towards new adventures. Nothing is lost even if the previous voyages have passed and your boat is lying on the shore pining about its fate. Set your course towards a new journey as Venmoinen did, to find new aspects in himself. No one can live your life for you. The keys to your happiness are in your own hands. Have courage, try something new, and trust life. Cast yourself into the stream. I love that. And I just wanted to take a look at the difference between the major and the minor real fast. So we have it's the same thing. So awesome. So we do get the backstory, we get the keywords, and we get a message. Awesome. Freedom from mental shackles, negative cycles, and harboring problems. Love that. Okay, so like I said, this is really great to learn about the Finnish myths. I think that it's beautifully done. I'm not mad now that I've shuffled the cardstock. I'm not like terribly upset at how much thinner it was than I was expecting, because it is shuffling just fine. So I think if you have smaller hands or you have trouble shuffling with thicker cards, this is a great deck for that too. So there's pros and cons to cardstocks. Everybody has their preference. I think it is creative. I think it's different. It's definitely a unique style of tarot that I do not own in my collection yet. So I think this is definitely something that I am going to dive into and enjoy learning more about the mythological aspects of this and then connecting it to the cards. I think they have done a great job in the guidebook to kind of help join the two. So beautifully done. The packaging is gorgeous. I'm excited, like I said, to get to know it. And now I want to know what you guys think. Is this something on your list? Is this something that you're excited about? Is this a pass from you? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. I love to hear them. And thank you so much again to Rockpool for sending this my way. I am super excited. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.